Hey guys, how to use special iPhone text effects with iMessage. For this, open iMessage, then let's write new message, say hello friend, then choose our friend number, and we can send the message. But if we press and hold this button, we can make special animation effect. We can make message effects, or we can make screen effects. After you choose your effect with which you can send to your friend, press send button, and if your friend have iPhone and if your friend use iMessage for messages, then he receive message with animation effect. Thanks for the watching, good luck and goodbye.